Here is the unique Starport mounting system. This versatile system allows you to easily attach any of the practical and affordable RAILBLAZA accessories. Starports come as singles or in pairs and are supplied with all instructions and necessary stainless fasteners. In this video, we'll show you how to mount Starports on many surfaces. But don't forget, they can also be fixed to inflatable tubes, rails and trackboard as well. All this is possible in only minutes with no rear access required. Here's the original Starport. It comes with a collar for surface mounting and a gasket and bung to keep things clean and dry. All Starports come in black or white. Original Starports can be surface mounted, either using the supplied self-tapping screws to avoid rear access, or for additional strength you can use the supplied machine screws, washers and nuts. To recess mount, you'll need to drill a 32mm 1.25" hole for the centre of the Starport. Place the Starport with gasket into the hole. When recess mounting, the collar can be placed under the surface to provide extra strength. The smaller holes are sized for the self-tapping screws, or the larger holes can be used with the machine screws and nuts. Of course, Starports can be mounted with rivets or expanding rubber well nuts too, just like this. The SidePort is great on the gunnel of smaller aluminium boats, vertical cockpit wells on kayaks, and any other application where you have a vertical surface but need a horizontal Starport. The SidePort can be fitted using either the self-tapping screws or the machine screws, nuts and washers supplied with them. The SidePort, combined with the surface mount, is why the RAILBLAZA system is so versatile and extremely addictive. Once you have your Starport fitted, you'll be able to use it to hold a wide variety of RAILBLAZA accessories, and each Starport can be retasked at any stage. Don't miss our other installation guides to see even more fitting options, from inflatable boats to rail mounts, even RV and trailer storage options. For more information and a list of dealers, see our website www.railblaza.com.